Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Yeah, it's officially spring and I'm so excited. Okay, that means we're gonna be getting a longer day supposedly and just sunny days. I just cannot wait for spring and summer to really blossom. You know, I feel like this year, as you guys can see, my skin, I've been drinking my water, I've been taking care of the skin, and she's been looking a little plump. But before we get into the video, let's hear a little bit from our sponsor. Thank you to Sephora for sponsoring today's video. I can't take myself serious. Anyway guys, thank you so much to Sephora for sponsoring today's video on behalf of Play by Sephora, which is their subscription box that offers 5 curated try sizes product that I feel like is honestly really great for you to just discover a new product. Try it and see if you really love it and decide to go ahead and even buy fuller sizes. And this is only $10 a month, and in that box you also receive a 50 extra insider point that you can redeem in stores or online actually. So today I'm going to give you guys a sneak peek of what is inside the April box. I don't know how to say April Fools, April. Here are some of the goodies that I have in my beauty box. This one, the first thing is the Makeup Forever Step 1 Equalizer. This is the Smoothing Primer. And then we have the Fresh Sugar Advanced Therapy Lip Treatment in Dream. And then we have the High Impact Mascara by Clinique. The Glam Glow Good in Bed Passion Fruit Softening Night Cream. And then we have the Sephora Triple Action Cleansing Water. And today I actually have a bonus in my box, which is the Caviar Anti-Aging Reconstructing Bond Repairing Shampoo and Conditioner. If you haven't already signed up for the April Play box, you still have a bit more of a time. The deadline is April 11th, so I'm going to leave the link in the description bar so you can go ahead and subscribe and start getting some goodies for April's, you know? Let's go ahead and get into this nice spring easy makeup look. So I decided that today I'm gonna go ahead and do a very simple, easy, nice, glowy spring makeup that you can literally, you know, get in less than 20 minutes. Before I start doing my makeup, I'm going to be taking the Fresh Sugar Advanced Therapy Lip Treatment. I like to apply moisturizer on my lips before I get into my makeup, just because it keeps my lip moisturized. So when I get by the end of my makeup, when I'm about to apply my lipstick, my lips are well treated and moisturized. The first thing I like to do is obviously my brows, and I'm going to be using the Benefit Cosmetics Precisely Eyebrow Pencil. I like to really focus on my eyebrows, so if I'm not talking, forgive me. I'm just going to focus on this eyebrows real quick. You guys can see it's very simple and easy. I just like to, you know, take my time and do the brows. I'm going back into my Play by Sephora bag, and I'm taking the Makeup Forever One Step Skin Equalizer, and this is the Smoothing Primer. I actually do have this in the bigger size, so I've tried this before and I love it. So I'm going to just apply that to my face, blend that. And this is going to help our makeup last longer and look even smoother. As you guys can see, look how my skin looks right now just by applying this. Just this side versus this side. For my foundation, I will be taking the Makeup Forever Matte Velvet Skin Foundation. And this is a 24-hour foundation. I have mine in the shade R540. And sometimes I do kind of mix 2 shades to just get the perfect shade of foundation. I freaking love this foundation. And I like to use a brush to apply my foundation because I feel like that gives me the best coverage, honestly. So if you guys seen all my other previous videos, you know I always use this. I am trying to get myself to use, you know, different foundation, because I do have different foundation that I also like, but this is definitely one of my top 5 foundations. For my concealer, I will be taking the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Concealer in the shade 480. And I don't really like to go super bright on my highlight concealer now, just because I really like the settle looks, because then it looks like your skin, but you still look very bright. So I really like that. And now I'm going to go ahead and contour my face using the Black Radiance Stick Foundation in the shade Espresso. I'm going to be taking the same foundation brush to blend that contour out, baby. To set my face, I'm going to be taking the Huda Beauty Loose Powder in Kufana. And I really like this powder, but I'm just taking a little bit of my Beauty Blender and setting that under the eye. And again, I'm just dabbing that into my under eye until it disappears. I like this because it doesn't make me dry underneath my eyes at all. So you're still getting that dewy effect, but very nice and smooth, as you can see. Ooh. To set the rest of my face, I'm going to be taking the Makeup Forever Micro Finishing Powder in the shade number 2. And I'm going to set the rest of this face. I love this powder because it gives me that really nice filter smooth finish makeup look. You guys know I rave about this. This is one thing that I feel like I can never take out of my makeup routine, because I really just love what it does for my skin. What is not broken, honey, does not need to be fixed, okay? Does not need to be fixed. I know you guys are probably tired of me talking about it, but let me know if you went and picked this powder up because of me constantly using it and talking about it. Let me know. To bronze my face and bring back some melanin, even though I do look hella melanin right now. Melanin right now, I'm going to be taking the Benefit Cosmetics Hoola bronzer. Like this right here is going to give you that absolute glow. Make sure you're brushing it in. Don't be too harsh, but I feel like you can't even be too harsh with this because it's very subtle. A recent video I did, I had like this purple highlighter, purple lips, and a little bit of purple around my eyes, and you guys really love it, and you guys been asking me to film that video. Technically, this is the video. I'm going to be taking this LA Girl Just Dance blush, and it's this beautiful purple pastel-y color, and I'm using the same brush that I used for my bronzer, and I'm just gonna go ahead and apply that on my cheeks and just blend it. Yes, chocolate girls can wear purple blush, okay? Do not be afraid. But if you're not feeling the purple blush, you know, gladly go ahead and use a blush that is up your eyelid. Another shade that I really love on dark skin is a peachy orangey shade. I feel like, oh my god, when you have that, the glow is unbelievable. So if you're not into the purple, I would definitely recommend doing the orangey shade blush. It's beautiful on dark skin complexion. For the highlight today, I'm going to be using the Ofra Cosmetics highlight in Highlight Space Baby, and it looks like it's just a white, you know, just a white highlight, but when you put it on, the reflex of this highlight is unbelievable. Look how stunning that is. I'll be taking the Artist Couture highlighter in the shade Honey Dip, and I'm just gonna apply that right on the tip of my nose. And she is blinging. I'm gonna go back into that blush taking that, I'm putting that on the inner part of my waterline, T-dot. Literally just brush that on. I don't know if you guys can see it, but if you want some sheen, I'm gonna go back into the highlighter because it does reflect purple. I'm gonna take some and just put it right on the center. Going back into my Sephora playback, I will be taking the mascara, and this is the Clinique High Impact Mascara, and I will be applying that right on the bottom lash line. I like how small this mascara is because it makes it so much easier to do the bottom lash line. I line my lips with a brown lip liner, and I'm going to be taking this nice pastel-y lipstick slash lip gloss, and I'm putting it in the center of my lips. Just dab it